right, I feel like right when I get off work every day, I'm gonna look forward to that wine fridge. I'm really excited for the lighter, brighter look of the kitchen, the sustainable products that we're putting in. I've always wanted like a Farmhouse apron sink, and the Bocci sinks are amazing. They have an inset where you can have some like tools, cutting boards, and you can wash your vegetables right there. I love all that functionality. So I'm really excited to see them in person. There was no ventilation, so even searing a chicken breast smoked up the entire house. So I'm really excited to have like the commercial vent system. Well, it looks very commercial. I love it. It looks very high end, and it just does really well functioning and sucking up all that smoke. But other than that, like I love that I'm gonna have the space with that additional pantry and that additional fridge to store the things that I don't use so often outside of the kitchen. I'm looking forward to having the double wall ovens where people, you know, we're getting close to the holidays and people come over and want to cook Thanksgiving food. One wants to warm theirs up, the other one needs to roast the turkey for 8 hours, that I can do that with the double ovens. All of that is really exciting. And then I'm just excited for the sous vide function, for the steam function. There's so many functions, and like the high BTUs, I can boil water quickly. I'm just excited to start cooking again, honestly. Running that AC all the time, and all the other appliances I have going really got that electric bill kind of sky high. And so to be self-sufficient and kind of make your own electricity was really important for me. And so I was so excited to work with LG and get these solar panels going and take my bill from $1,000 to $150 has been life-changing. Airflow in the house was not great, and I feel like we were losing a lot of the cool air that was coming into the house. And so I was really excited when we got the new system, and everything has been great. It's a dual system, so I can control the back and the front of the house completely separate, as well as the pantry. I can raise and lower the temperature in there, which is where the dogs are. Their crates are right under the where the cabinets will be, so it's really important to keep them cool on those hot summer days. I feel like my bill has gone down. The system isn't working as hard. I'm able to maintain you know, a low 70-degree temperature all the time. Very easy to use, and the house just feels all one temperature all the way through, which has been life-changing. The blown-in insulation kind of was just sitting right in the middle of the attic. It wasn't doing its job. And so Greenfiber came in, and they have a completely recycled product, and it works so great, even if the air conditioning is not on, and you can feel how much cooler it is. And it's not 103 in the attic anymore. So that's made a big difference. And I just got to meet with the owners of the company, and they told me what a great sustainability story they have. And so I'm so excited to use them in the house. And if you have to drag out your vacuum cleaner, I mean, in reality, how often am I doing that? I don't know. So having the central vac system where you just put a hose into the wall, turn it on for a few seconds, and get that dog hair up is just, you know, it's time saving and efficient. When I bought this house, I want to say there was 7 different types of flooring. It just did not function well. They were scratched up. So now with the Mohawk flooring, I have a very modern look. It's a little light gray. The dogs have been running like crazy all over it through the house, and it's held up so well. I'm really excited for the LVT in the laundry room. Obviously, that's a room that a lot of people worry about having leaks or a flood in, and having that really waterproofed and kind of durable. That's also like the mud room, so that being durable is really important to me. And the carpet in the bedrooms looks great. And it's nice to know that the guest rooms, I don't have to worry about them staying clean when people are visiting and have muddy shoes and, you know, all the traffic that goes in and out of those rooms. So those are all things that you can kind of put the worry out of your mind with these Mohawk floors, and I'm so excited to have them. My old pump system was a variable speed, but it was older. And then the cleaner that's roaming on the bottom of my pool, the wheel stopped working. So there's constantly grass blowing into the pool. And then the filter system is not very efficient. The pool company that services my pool has told me several times that I need to upgrade for efficiency. I'm just using a lot of chemicals that I don't need to be using. Also like the lighting is very old. And so having this connected pool that I can go on an app and set the timing for the fountains, the timing for the lights, the timing for when I need to run the different cleaners, that is all going to be so great to be able to put that out of my mind. Now I have 2 wall-mounted systems that are on tension cords and coils. They're virtually silent when opening and closing them. They work very seamless. The MyQ app is great. You can allow guest access. So if I have family in town, I can give them access to open and close the garage through the app remotely. I can also see on the app anytime if I've forgotten to close the garage, it says the status of the garage all the time. There's also 2 cameras, so I can constantly see both garage doors. I connected my MyQ to the Amazon Key program, and it says, Amazon Key opened your garage and your package has been left like right here. I was worried about security at first, but they've really thought of everything and it works seamlessly. So it's really nice to just know you're gonna have a nice, dry, cool package when you get home.